If you want to change the world for the next generation, become a mentor. BRIDGEGOOD focuses on jump-starting the careers for young designers of color, and Adobe Acrobat is there with us every step of the way. To date, we've helped over 13,000 students from under-resourced populations. Yes. Our UX design apprenticeship is a 12-week experience like no other. Students get to meet mentors from the industry that gives them the skills, the real-world experience, and that motivation. Efficiency matters. Adobe Acrobat helps us streamline our processes so we can focus on empowering the students.
I think that's a great direction.
Before students start, we have to send contracts, so we request e-signatures.
Students on board, they feel professional, like, wow, I actually signed a contract for my career.
We receive design services requests from a lot of small businesses.
Adobe Acrobat helps us efficiently review and send invoices. We are extremely proud that all of our programs are tuition-free. Adobe Acrobat helps us edit, organize, and share our grant documents, as well as fundraising packets.
BRIDGEGOOD has really given me confidence that I can do whatever I've set my mind to.
Our motto is to design for social good. I really think that's the most impactful thing that I'm learning here.
We're helping them build meaningful careers. Every apprentice can leave with tangible skills and make a tangible impact in their communities. It brings me a sense of pure joy.